Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you simple makeup practice, simple ways to shape your brow. So first of all, I'm using a spoolie to brush up my brow. And after shaving, I actually have a video on how you can shave your brow. And next, you have to draw your eyebrow with a pencil. I'm actually using Davis color 8. That's what I'm using. So you have to make sure that you draw the brow very well so that it will be thick. Next, I'm using LA Pro Girl and my concealer, and then I use it to highlight my brow. You can see I'm using a lighter shade, color 1. I'm using color 1, 2 and 3 because I'm having dark eye bags. You can see it very well that my eyes are very dark, so I'm using a lighter, very lighter color to make sure that it blends very well and it shows very well. Ensure to blend your concealer very well. That's what I'm doing. Next, I'm using my brush, the concealer brush, to actually brush up the center of the brow so that it look more natural. Then I go back with my spoolie again, and then use your spoolie to blend in very well. And then you go back with your brush to give that defined look, that defined shape. Next, you go back with your blending brush and a powdered concealer. I have a powdered concealer as well, so I go in with it to blend the concealer, the LA Pro concealer that I have used. And ta-da! So I go back to the other brow and then do the same thing like I did to the first brow. And here is the finished look. Hope this was helpful.